you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today I have a Bond Bar hair care product review for you guys. This is Sally's new hair care line, and this is a dupe for the Olaplex hair care line. So this is a repair system. I've been wearing my hair straight for about 4 or 5 months now, so I figured I'd try it out for you guys. So we're gonna start off with the number 3, the pre-shampoo, and this is just like the pre-shampoo or pre-poo for Olaplex. I started off by spraying my hair with some water. It started to revert, and then I applied the product. This product basically helps start the whole repair bonding system. Now I did enjoy using the Olaplex one, but it is very expensive. So this one is $9.99 a bottle. So you leave it in for 10 minutes, and after my 10 minutes, I went ahead and hopped in the shower and I rinsed out that product. After my hair sat for 10 minutes, it definitely felt very moisturized. It felt very moisturized as I was rinsing it out. So I knew this was gonna go pretty well. So the next product is number 4, and this is the bonding shampoo. This shampoo is very, very silky in texture. I really like that feeling. Most shampoos to me do not feel that way. This one and the Olaplex one definitely feel the exact same, and I do like that. As you guys can see, as I rinse it out, my hair already looks shiny. It looks moisturized. I went in for a second shampoo, and just to get the roots some more and get the remainder of my hair shaft. After I went through the shampooing process, I went in and I conditioned. Now the conditioner, I had a problem with the Olaplex one as well. There's just not enough in the bottle for my hair. I use a lot of conditioner, like I'm sure most of us naturals do use. So in this one, I ended up using half of a bottle for my whole head. And honestly, that was being very sparing with the product. I really could have used that whole bottle, but this is a very thick but very soft conditioner, and you guys can see how it looks in my hair. This product line is supposed to be able to help you detangle your wet hair better. Do I feel like it had enough slip for that? No, I didn't, not really. Did it help detangle? Yeah, for the most part, but not as smoothly as they make it seem in the product description. So the Bond Bar Building Repair System helps protect, strengthen, and hydrate hair. When you use these products, it helps reduce breakage by combing 70% and improves wet detangling by 90% and strengthens and repairs the highly damaged hair after the very first use, and I do agree with that. I did go in with my own deep conditioner because they don't have one. I can do a review on this product line. I found it at Walmart. If you guys want me to, leave that down below and let me know. And then I just detangled one more time with that product, and then after that it was time to move on to styling. For styling, we're going to use the Bond Bar number 6 product, and this is their styling cream. This is the last product in the line, and I feel like this product was pretty nice, but it wasn't enough for the Alaska air out here. It's like -40 outside, and my hair will definitely dry out. So I use this product underneath as a leave-in conditioner for this style, and to show you guys, I feel like it definitely did, you know, moisturize my hair a lot. It left my hair feeling very good after all these products. It felt really, really good, very moisturized. But I then went in with the Cream of Nature twisting cream just to add some more moisture to my hair. And I didn't really style my hair, or I had some errands to run, so I just slicked my hair down with no gel and only did my edges and put my hair in a claw clip. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out these products. I'll leave them in the description below, and let me know if you've already tried these, if you like these or Olaplex better. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.